Good morning. Today we are doing lesson 5-9. We're going to be talking about line plots and how to make one of those. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you how to make a line plot. So the problem that we are dealing with is a 4th grade class at Hillside Elementary School used a spring scale to weigh their full backpacks and recorded the weights to the nearest 1/4 of a pound. How many students carry a backpack that weighs 5 1/4 pounds? So if I go back and look, there is 3. 1, 2, 3. Our next question says, how many students carry a backpack that weighs more than 7.5 pounds? Okay, so we got to go back and look and see which one is more than 7.5. So I have to look here at 7.5. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. So here we go. I'm going to write an 8. Okay. How many students carry a backpack that weighs less than 5 3/4 pounds? So let's go back and look at our screen. Less than 5 3/4. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 6. We get 6 kids. Okay. Let's look at what our next questions are. Use the completed line plot to answer the questions. Which weight is carried by the greatest number of students? Let's look. Which one of these has the most? Yep. Looks like here 7 3/4 has the most. 7 1/4 has the most. 7 1/4 has the most. So let's put that on our answer sheet. Okay. This next one says, to avoid back pain and other health problems, the heaviest weight of a typical 4th grader should carry is between 7 and 10.5 pounds. How many students carry backpacks that follow this guideline? Okay. Let's look and see. 7 to 10.5 pounds. Let's go look. So if we look here, and we see how many students carry backpacks that follow this guideline. So if we look here, none of them actually go past 10. And what they are asking is 10.5. So I would think that if it's not more than 10, it's actually, they only go up to 9 3/4. How many students follow the guideline? Yes, it would be all the students. So let's count and see how many that there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So all of the students follow this guideline. So that means that there are 26. Okay. How much does the heaviest backpack weigh? So we just looked at that. Does anyone remember what I said the heaviest weight was? Yes, it was 9 3/4 because I was talking about how none of them weigh more than that, and that was the heaviest. So they all fall into the guideline. Okay, let's go to the next screen to answer these questions. Right, now they want to know how much does the lightest backpack weigh. So let's go back and look at screen 2. Looks like it's 4. So let's go back to screen 5. Answer that with 4. Okay. What is the difference in the weight between the heaviest and the lightest backpacks? So I know the heaviest weight was 9 3/4. And the heaviest was 9 3/4. and the lightest was 4. So what am I going to do to find the difference? That's right, I'm going to subtract. Okay, so if I look here, I'm just going to subtract my whole numbers first, and I get 5, and then I'll just leave the 3/4 the way it is. So the difference would be 5 and 3/4. Okay, what is the difference between the weight of the heaviest backpack